Hey, to upload music to your Xiaomi Watch S3, all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone, open the Mi Fitness application, from here go into the device, and now scroll down and go into the music. From this, you will have to click on the right upper corner, and now you can actually move any song that you have on your device. So in my case, I've got only one song, but for some reason it's actually duplicated, so I'm gonna select both of them. Also, you can go and find the artist or go into some albums. Then, if you select everything, you have to click on the marker in the right upper corner. As you can see, now we've got information that selected music will be added to our device, and we can continue using other apps while this process completes. So we have to click that we got it, and from this we can actually follow this uploading process. So you just have to wait for it. It will take probably around a few minutes. And after this, when you go into the music player on your watch, like right here, and then you can actually pick the music source from your watch. So now from here we can add and delete songs and create playlists in the app with the device. And from here, after uploading this music, you will be able actually to find it just right here. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.